The Ketogenic Edge Cookbook, a training manual for low-carb, ketogenic, and paleo cuisine. The Ketogenic Edge Cookbook is a comprehensive guide for families and individuals interested in thriving on unprocessed foods and from-scratch, ketogenic cooking. This book specializes in simple healthy protein-based entrees, fatty sauces, vegetable-rich sides, and sugar-free desserts for everyday nourishment. The Ketogenic Edge Cookbook is a comprehensive guide for families and individuals interested in thriving on unprocessed foods and from-scratch, ketogenic cooking. The 280 pages are packed with information to make your low-carb lifestyle easier. You will be fully trained in practical food preparation skills for everyday nourishment. This book specializes in healthy protein-based entrees, fatty sauces, vegetable-rich sides, and sugar-free desserts. The Ketogenic Edge Cookbook teaches you how to properly formulate a ketogenic diet, source the highest quality food possible, prepare low-carb, high-fat, ketogenic dishes, maximize nutrient density in all your meals, enjoy a variety of foods with many recipe variations. The Ketogenic Edge Cookbook has more than 130 recipes, most with full-page, full-color photographs. Each entry contains the serving size, prep and cook times, and full macronutrient analysis. You will find a combination of slow-cooked, one-pan, freezer-friendly and 30-minute prep meals sprinkled with a few fancier recipes here and there. Most of the recipes are the quick and easy type that maximize nutrient density and minimize time. We offer a number of variations to recipes, illustrating how to expand and modify recipes in ways that extend longevity from a single idea.